we're pulling onto the highway with the stock suspension. It's into fourth gear, into fifth gear, just to give you a sort of sense of the stock suspension sound. And then once we get the Borla hooked up, we'll do the same thing to give you an idea. So I'm going about 70 or so. It's mostly wind noise, you can barely hear the exhaust. But Alright, headed into the shop to get the Borla muffler installed, and we'll do a little sound test when it's all done, and a little installation review here. So headed over to Macomb Automotive right across the street here if this traffic will ever stop. S-Type climber exhaust is installed. I'm coming right out of Macomb Automotive, and we're gonna listen to this and see what it sounds like. Definitely has a little bit more of a voice to it. Sounding pretty good. We'll go ahead and do a loop around town and check it out, check out the sound. So we'll be back. Okay, we're about to go on the highway here and test this out, see what it sounds like with the Borla S-Type climber exhaust installed on the Jeep Gladiator. About fourth gear, about 2,500 RPMs right here, climbing up. We'll go ahead and hit fifth gear.